Hello everyone and welcome back to Peaceful Life. As you can see, I have signs here and I'm working on a progress for building my house. Oh wait, that's not the spot. This is the spot where we're building our new house right here. And I have 8 torches and I have lots and lots of coal. And I have a bed. Just hold on. Okay, and we're gonna go back to work. So, also, if you don't like this, please don't watch this. Because it doesn't have mobs or anything except these animals. Alright, look at the coal right here, and there, and there. Okay, so, it's kind of ridiculous word thing, whatever. Alright, so, So, we're on the progress of building our house right here. But we're gonna surround this place first. So right here. And right here. Right here. And right here. That'll be the torch. If you pass by the torch while you're building your house, that'll be your maximum point. Alright, so you have it right here. Put my bed here. And we're gonna start making a wooden house starting right here. I just need lots of wood right here. Alright, we got lots of wood. We're gonna get some more in case we ran out. Just like 3 trees or 4. I'm thinking 3. Oof. Okay, we're on to the top, and I found a tree. Yeah, keep on going. Hey, dang it, tree. Also, I have eggs. Didn't you see that? Oh shoot. I have eggs, which means we can make a cake or something. Right here. Ow, ow. Okay, right here is a spot. So we're gonna put, we have to collect cobblestone, which is right here. Gonna make like 24 of them. No, 32 of them. Hold on a sec. Okay. Alright, I think we got 16, 18, 19, 20, 1, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. And there we have it. We have 32 cobblestone. So I'm going to place this right here. Just hold on a second. Sorry about that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And look down below. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Ow. 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna put the torch right here. And look at that. Lol. Alright, where's the second torch? Where are you? Ah, you're right here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a torch right here. Okay. This will take a while, folks, so oops, wrong place. You can just wait for a minute or so. Alright. We've done this part. Now where's the second torch? Where are you? Third torch. Where are you, third torch? I can't find you. Where are you, mate? Hello? Hello? Third torch. Third torch. Where are you? Third torch. Hello? Oh my, I almost fell in there. Oh my. Torch. Torch. Where are you? There you are. Me. I've been all looking for you. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the torch here. And I'm running out of this stuff. So, let's go here. There you go. Stone pickaxe. Oops, sorry about that. Anyway. Okay, right here. Wrong pickaxe. Alright, done. The last one's over there. Woo! Gonna dig some right there. Alright. Put this on top of the cobblestone. Man, I'm almost done, folks. And now we'll prepare something else. Alright, now we're gonna do some spruce wood. I think that'll be wonderful. Totally. Ouch. Wait a second, no. Then we put a glass here, which we'll do that later. And then this kind of wood, surround it right here. Wait a second. Corners. Takes a hard work, right? Like a farm. Alright. Right here. And right here. Whew. Nice, right? And then later we're gonna put glass all over it. Oh, wrong again. Seriously, it's almost sunset. Gonna put this right here. Right here. Right here. And right here. And I'm almost done with this video. And look at this. It's not pretty good so far, but the next episodes it'll be kind of good because this is not yet finished though. Alright, after this one I'm gonna end this video. Okay, so this part, this part, this part. I'm running out of wood. Shoot. And I'm gonna continue that on the next episode, so see you guys later on episode 3 where we continue our progress. See you next time. Oh, and also my last question in my last video, and I'll show you the answer there. Okay, see ya.